78 at Brainerd, 76 at Bemidji, and 84 at International Falls.
My stepmother's not feeling well, so we can't go to the well.
With a temperature of 78 at Rochester, 72 at Duluth, and 80 at Hibbing. Around Wisconsin, with a temperature of 84 at
my
Wausau,
battery's in the
and
water. You're
86
gonna die.
at Green Bay. In Milwaukee, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 81. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 83 at Osceola, 82 at Bay City, 85 at Madison, and 83 at La Crosse. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 84 at Eau Claire, and 79 at Rice Lake. Across the Dakotas, it was partly sunny. It was 73 at Fargo, and 81 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 79 at Des Moines and 80 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 82 degrees. Under partly sunny skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area today, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Highest heat indices around 95 in the afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
I'm gonna go over here where there's no.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota.
There it goes.
Activated the warning alarm on 13 weather
Yes.
stations across central, southern Minnesota and western central Wisconsin. These radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Should severe weather threaten the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting southern and central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our programming.
This is weather radio station KECC 94.5 on a frequency of 162.55.
I can hear one of the OA2s going off. I almost pressed the stop button. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, there's a cat back there. Look, there's a cat over there. Should we go over there? Actually, no. I don't want to damage the fence.
Oh yeah, we're going to be going to Eric siren tonight.
Wait, we are?
Yeah.
Who said? Alright, there's no more wasp nest over there, so we can go over there. Here goes attack. It gets louder when you get over here. I thought you heard a thunderbolt. I know that Wisconsin Tires has a video of the thunderbolt. I hate people in Minneapolis because they like to blast loud music. I heard the thunderbolt a little bit. I don't know if the camera.